Let's see. 1. Oh. 4. And 2. Last one. Okay. Human domino. Bruh. Let's try that again. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for new videos that come out. And if this video gets 75 likes, I'll show you how to make this gun.